Here, next concept, land of tens. Here there are special calculators with special buttons. We know normal calculators, but here are some special calculators with special buttons. Here one button having plus 1000 button. Normally we have 1, 2, 3 like that, but in this calculator plus 1000 button is there. Here some number names and numbers are given. We have to find how many times we have to press those calculator to get the correct answer. Calculator is having, we know, plus 1000 button. For 3000 we have to press 3 times. For 10,000, 10 times. 53,000, 53 times. 90,000, 90 times. For 1 lakh, 100 times. 1 lakh having how many zeros, children? 5 zeros. And for 153 times we have to find the original value. How many times? It must be have 3 zeros in its thousands place. That's why we have to press 1,53,000 means 153 times. Next, how many thousands are required to make 1 lakh? How many thousands? 100 thousands. Why? For 1 lakh we have 5 zeros. 3 zeros will be there in a calculator. That means remaining how much? 2 zeros. In a way we have to remember like that. Already 3 zeros are there. For a lakh actually 5 zeros are there. 3 zeros lesson means how many zeros will come? 2 zeros remaining. That's why 100 are required to make 1 lakh. Here given creative chitti is a different kind of calculator. Previously we saw in a calculator it is having a plus 1000 button. But in this creative chitti calculator is having plus 1, plus 10, plus 100, plus 1000, plus 10,000, plus lakh and plus 10 lakhs buttons. It always has multiple ways of doing things. How so? You might ask to get the number 321. It given different ways. It presses 10 into 32 times. It presses 32 into 10 times and 1 into 1 times. Here 32 into 10 times means 320 plus 1 how much? 321. In another way, it presses 100 into 3 times, 10 into 2 times plus 1 into 1 time. 300 plus 20 plus 1 how much? Finally we get 321. It takes two different ways to give the final sum. Here find a different way to get 5072 and write an expression for the same. Here already given two ways. We have to find here one different way. 5072 in another way means 5 into 1000 plus zeros plus 0, 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. 5000 plus 70 plus 2 how much? 5072. By using creative chitti calculator we have to figure out some sums. Here first given 8300. We have to find at least two different ways here. 300 can be written as 8 into 1000 times plus 3 into 100 times we can press in that calculator. For 8 into 100 times we get 8000. 3 into 100 times we get 300. Totally 8300 times we can press that calculator. Another step. 8300 we can write. We can click 1000 into 5 times. 33 into 100 times. Totally 5000 plus 300. 3300 how much? 8300 clicks. Second sum 40,629. For this we will press 40 into 1000 times, 6 into 100 times, 2 is 10 times and 9 into 1 time. Totally we will get 40,629. In another way, we can click 10,000 into 4 times, 6 into 100 times, 10 into 2 times, 9 into 1 time. Then we get 40,629. Here given number 56,354. Here we click 5 into 10,000 times, 6,000 times, 300 times, 5, 10 times, 4, 1 time. Totally we get 56,354. Next we will click 56 into 1000 times, 300 times, 5, 10 times, 4, 1 time. Finally we get 56,354. Here given 6,66,066. We will write 6 into 10,000 clicks, 6 into 1000 clicks, again 6 into 100 clicks, 6 into 10 clicks and 6 into 1 time. Totally we get 66,000. In another way we will get 66 into 1000 times, 6 into 100 times, 6 into 10 times, 6 into 1. Finally we will get 6 lakh. Sorry, 66,666. Here another number 3,67,813. Here we click 3 into 1 lakh times, 6 into 10,000 times, 7 into 1000 times, 8 into 100 times, 1 into 10 times, 3 into 1 time. Finally we will get 3,67,813. And in next another method 36 into 10,000 times, 78 into 100 times, 13 into 1 time. Finally we will get 3,67,813. That's it. Two methods we have finished.